Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna talk about Jarvis. So this video gonna be very interesting video because I'm gonna show you how you can install Jarvis in your computer so that you can communicate with your computer simply by giving voice commands. So let's start this. Open your browser and type this link. I will leave all the links in the description box so you can check that there and hit enter. Now select the version. So I would recommend you to select Mark II, click on download and scroll down, select your operating system. Now again scroll down and click on free download. After clicking on free download, it will ask you for your name and email address. So just type your name and your email address and click on submit. After clicking on submit, you will get the links. So these are the links from which you can download Jarvis. So I'm gonna select this link. You can select any of this. Just click on link and you will get the installation page. So these are the requirements of the Jarvis, but don't worry about this. Just click on install button and all these requirements automatically download and install in your computer. So click on install button and here a small file is started downloading. Now execute this file, click on this file, and after clicking you will ask for installation. So just click on install and you will get after installation this logo. So I already installed Jarvis, so I'm just using. Double click on this and your Jarvis is starting.
Initial checks completed. Backing up the configuration. Initializing databases. Establishing connection to satellite number 53.
Okay, this is the starting process of Jarvis. Jarvis is initializing.
Loading intro. Rendering main control center. Gathering audio and video files. Media libraries have been updated. No files found in the specified music and video directories. Loading custom components. I am online and ready. Say, enable push to talk. To enable push to talk.
Enable push. Jarvis?
Yes.
Okay, so it is ready now. Click on disable.
Good afternoon. Listening disabled.
Okay, now go to the settings here. Click here and
Customize.
go to customize. Now these are the default commands of Jarvis, like goodbye, close Jarvis for exit, and stop talking, what is my name, etc. There are a few interesting commands like mute volumes, volume down, volume up, play music, play movie. You can set your music directory, your movie directory here. And second type of commands are the social commands. So here these are the greetings and you can set your own greeting. Just double click here and set your command. Here you need to set your response of Jarvis, and here just type main and click on update. Third type of command are web commands. So if you want to update any web command, like I updated open YouTube, open Facebook, these are the defaults. And if you want to add some new command, then just double click on here and type your command. Open Twitter. Okay, now response, opening Twitter, and here you need to type the web address of Twitter. So just type https://www.twitter.com and finally type main and click on update. Okay, click on update.
Please wait until done button is enabled. Done.
Okay, now click on done and enable Jarvis.
Listening enabled.
Hello Jarvis.
Hello sir, how are you today?
Good afternoon Jarvis.
Good afternoon sir.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Alright. Open Google.
Opening Google.
Open Facebook.
Opening Facebook.
Open Twitter.
Opening Twitter.
Close Google. Alright, it is closed. Now if you want to add a new folder, then just click here and say create new folder. Okay. If you want to delete this folder, then click delete this folder. Okay, one more cool thing. Go to browser and type something. What is Jarvis? Now just select the content and read this. Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
read this.
Edwin Jarvis is a supporting character in the Marvel Comics titles Iron Man, The Avengers, and Spider-Man. He is the loyal household butler of the Stark family. Since the 1990s,
Stop talking.
the character has appeared. Sure.
So, as simple. Now, what is the time? What time is it?
3:30 p.m.
What is the day?
Tuesday.
Alright, so that is it.
Listening disabled.
There are many other commands for Jarvis. You can check it out. Just go and customize and you can check and add your own commands. And if you want to exit or hide the Jarvis, then there are a few more commands for this.
Listening enabled.
Move Jarvis.
As you wish.
So it is gone. Now if you want to return it back, then just say come back Jarvis.
How may I help?
Goodbye.
Do you want to execute the AI shutdown protocol?
Yes, I want.
Starting application shutdown sequence.
Now it is going offline. So
Farewell.
okay, now Jarvis went offline. So as simple as that and as interesting as that. Just enjoy your Jarvis, and thank you so much guys for watching this video.